Time has come to start the first session of the race weekend. It's practice for the Malaysia Grand Prix. Beside me to take you through free practice today is a man with 3 decades of racing experience under his belt. It is, of course, Anthony Davidson. Thanks for joining us today, Anton. Tell me, where should we be focusing our attention today?
I think we need to be looking across the entire field to see how far these cars are able to push a single set of tyres. While everyone will be trying different setups and running with different fuel loads, if you're attentive enough, you can definitely pick out trends for each type of tyre compound, which will give us a rough idea of how long the drivers are able to stay out there during a stint in the race.
If it's not too much to ask, let's forget about the past. If it's not too much to ask, let's just try to make this last stand. Let me take you to somewhere new. Let me take you to somewhere new. Let me take you to somewhere new. Let me take you. Let me take you to somewhere new. Let me take you. If it's not too much to ask, let's forget about the past. If it's not too much to ask, let's just try to make